Good morning, everybody. I, Dr. Radhika Rai, on behalf of the governing body of SGT University, extend you all a very hearty and warm welcome to the grand finale of Synergy Skillathon 2021, an event organized by the SGT University Gurugram. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my proud privilege to welcome our honorable chief guest, Dr. S.K. Deshpande, who's taken time out of his busy schedule and has joined us online for the event. Dr. Deshpande is an eminent scientist and researcher who has made an outstanding contribution to the noble profession of science and technology through his illustrious career at the prestigious CSIR laboratory and also at various government and private sectors. Ladies and gentlemen, it's also my proud privilege to welcome our university officials and honorable deans on the dais. Let me first welcome the Honorable Dean, Office of External Affairs, Shri Rajneesh Wadhwa. We have on the dais the Honorable Deans of various faculties of SGT University, who were also honorable members of the jury for the program. Honorable Dean, Fashion and Design, Dr. M.K. Nair. Dean, Hotel and Tourism Management, Dr. S.R. Cheney. Dean, Engineering and Technology, Dr. Manish Mahajan. Dean, Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, Shri Kranti Anand. Dean, Faculty of Commerce and Management, Dr. Parul Agarwal. Because of some prior engagements, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Vinod Kumar, is not being able to join us physically, but Sir has extended his blessings to all our participants and congratulated to all our winners. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to begin this academic program in the Temple of Learning, may we invoke Goddess Saraswati, the epitome of knowledge, and pray that may we all be enlightened with knowledge, wisdom, and ethics, academically, socially, and above all, spiritually, today and always. May I request the dignitaries on the dais to kindly come and do the honors. Kindly light the lamp, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. The lighting of the lamp signifies the dispelling of the darkness of ignorance and spreading the light of knowledge. Ladies and gentlemen, now let me take this golden opportunity to give a brief review about the SGT University. SGT had begun with a dental college in the year 2002 and was conferred with the status of a university in 2013. Today, the university spreads over 70 acres, houses more than 18 faculties, and offers more than 170 courses, including medical, dental, paramedical, technological, and management disciplines. Besides the world-class infrastructure, state-of-the-art facilities, and excellent faculty, what makes SGT stand out is its philosophy of teaching and learning, which stands on three pillars: innovation, ethics, and leadership. Navonmesh, Naitikta, or Netritva. Almost 2 decades in the 21st century, 70 years of independent India. Today, the time has come when we talk of digital India. From the time when even making a census of population was a tedious and an approximate task, to today, when the details of each Indian citizen are just a click away through the Aadhaar card. When even an unskilled laborer has a mobile phone, not to mention even an e-wallet in it. When with each passing day, we have newer instruments, newer technology, newer methods, and above all, newer perspectives, then how can we teach our students just the technical know-how and the existing theories from the books? Hence, in this era of artificial intelligence and robotics, a major share of our teaching and learning is based on encouraging research, creativity, and innovation. Under the able leadership of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, our university administrators, and faculty members, the university organizes wonderful workshops and conferences. In today's digital world, artificial intelligence has become the spine of every field, and no discipline can actually function in isolation. Rather, an interdisciplinary approach is the need of the hour. So an annual mega event focusing on this interdisciplinary approach is a technical fest organized by SGT University every year, Synergy, in which thousands of students from various schools, colleges, and universities across the nation participate. Ladies and gentlemen, the global pandemic unexpectedly hit the world and has indeed changed the perspective of the entire world towards life. We all are a part of this historic era, when almost every physical event has been replaced by a virtual one, and Synergy is no exception. The annual Technical Fest of SGT University has been conducted in the form of a skillathon, a much thoughtful gesture for the students who are suffering the most during the pandemic. Of course, our class 12 students, who underwent through the uncertainty of their exams, and now about their college admissions and their careers. So to channelize the energy and skills of our talented youth, we conducted various competitions under the banner Synergy Skillathon. Ladies and gentlemen, this visionary academic program shall always be etched in golden words in the history of SGT University. Now, before we proceed towards the program, I humbly request the Dean, Office of External Affairs, Sri Rajneesh Wadhwa sir, to kindly come and address all our participants and our winners who have joined us online.
Thank you, Dr. Radhika. As always, I think a fitting tribute to the institution we belong to. It's my proud privilege, to be here addressing the gathering. And I know there are thousands of students, who have registered, who participated in Skillathon 2021. They've also joined virtually. We have our chief guest who's also joined virtually, who could not travel from Pune to Delhi because of reasons that we all know. But I think that has not dampened the spirit. That has actually further given it a mighty push, and we've had resounding success in terms of entries. Students from all over India registered for this event. It was very heartening to see that students as far as Itanagar, students as far as Trivandrum, students as far as Chhattisgarh and Gujarat, they all crisscrossed and presented their entries, and they were keen to make their skills known, available to all of us. I think that's a very proud moment for all of us, we all being parents, would be parents at some point, to see that the students could break away from the monotony of the forced pandemic lockdown situation which had forced them to stay indoors. They had missed on a very large chunk of their academic year last year and this year again. But I think which has given them a resounding move to stand up, rise again, and present and score their skills. That was one of the core themes or taglines of the event which was planned. I think a lot of effort was gone in planning this event. All my colleagues here on the dais the deans of respective faculties, they spent a lot of time with us and the organizing team to conceive this event and make sure that, we keep it in a format, which is very exciting, keep it in a format, which brings in a lot of attention, keeps it in a format where we get a lot of entries and students, take pride in registering. While we are based out of Gurgaon, we have a lot of entries which have come from Haryana, from NCR, from beyond, as I said, so which is a very resounding statement once again. I must thank each one of you, who joined, who registered, who showed interest. For some reason, you could not register or could not participate. We will have the second round of this event in the very near future. I think that's something which you can always look forward to. So, and it's also my proud privilege to thank Dr. S.K. Deshpande, a very dear friend and very dear well-wisher of the university. He has also chosen to accept the offer of being a distinguished fellow at the university. So we are all blessed that he is leading the initiative and bridging the gap between the academia, research and industry. That's the strength which Dr. Deshpande brings in. And I think we are really honored to have him here. We will have him here on the campus once the situation is normalized. But yes, he's not away. His blessings are always there. As Radhika mentioned, our Vice Chancellor, Professor Vinod Kumar, could not join for some urgent engagement which kept him preoccupied. But he sent his blessings to all. I am also aware that, a lot of parents who are also seeing this event live, that's a moment of pride for them as well. They will be watching this event, waiting in bated breath that, their wards may win the prize. It doesn't matter who's won or who's not won. I think all of you participated. That was tremendous. So I think shortly we will have the excitement reach the climax and we will announce the winners as well. But before that, we will have the opportunity to hear our Honorable Chief Guest, Professor S.K. Deshpande, who worked for the Department of Science and Technology for almost 30 plus years. He brings loads of experience in terms of his experience in the industry. He understands the academic world extremely well. तो मैं एक बार रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा राधिका से if you can invite Dr. Deshpande. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful, encouraging words for all our participants, our winners, and of course, the proud parents. And now, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time that I take the proud privilege of introducing our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. S.K. Deshpande, to the august gathering. Dr. Deshpande is an eminent scientist and researcher with an experience of more than 35 years, of which 10 years in the corporate and the private sector and 25 years with the Government of India, including his contributions to the CSIR laboratory. Sir did his PhD from the prestigious Lakshmi Narayan Institute of Technology, Nagpur University, in the chemical technology and in the discipline of engineering and technology. Sir was associated with CSIR, National Environment Engineering Research Institute, Nagpur, for 2 years. He's also been granted the Fellow of the Institute of Engineers, India, Chemical Engineering by the Institute of Engineers, India, Kolkata in the year 2019. Dr. Deshpande is an ex-scientist G and head Research and Development for Industry, Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, Ministry of Science and Technology, New Delhi, where he served till June 2020. During his total tenure of 25 years at the DSIR, he worked on various R&D promotion programs. Sir has also handled public sector undertaking, autonomous organization, and UN organization under DSIR, and presented country papers at various international conferences held in Southeast Asian and West Asian countries. Prior to joining the DSIR, he has worked with eminent professional business houses such as Godrej and worked on development and production of a variety of products of these companies. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. S.K. Deshpande, an eminent scientist who is here with us to guide, to inspire, and to bless all our participants and winners. We welcome you, sir, and we request you to kindly address our students.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Uh, Dear Dr. Rajneesh Wadhwa, uh, Honorary Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Vinod Kumar, who could not be here, we are missing him here. All distinguished faculties sitting on the dais, other faculties, my fellow students, whom I have been in touch for last more than 2.5 months, uh, participants, ladies and gentlemen. It's my great privilege to be amongst you today, although I could not be there personally there, but I am feeling very happy to be part of this event. I'm able to watch all of you. I am feeling really very happy. Now, as Dr. Wadhwa has really mentioned, that this event is really a remarkable one in the present situation when, all our young students, at 12th class, they are looking for their career and, stepping into their next milestone. That is the graduation, which is very, very important. And we all know that their parents are worried, we are worried, the entire society is worried about them. So, in that context, arranging this kind of a event in such an inclement situation is really commendable. So, I would really compliment SJT University and equally, and my SJT family, where I am part of it, and equally the respondents or the participants who are responded intensely, to this event. And let me, in this particular event, I just feel relevant to tell you one small story, which many of you might be knowing. But let me, I'm feeling to, share with you. There was one king long, long ago. There was a king, and he decided to have one experiment in his kingdom. He wanted to test the people of his kingdom. So what he did, one day early morning in a very moving rush area, market area, he went early morning and he put a big heavy boulder well in, in the center of the street. And he hid himself just across the road down behind a tree. He actually wanted to see the reaction of all his citizens of his kingdom. So as the time passed, the people started moving, the first, because it was a rushy area, market area. So one merchant came in and he just stopped there at the at that boulder, heavy boulder. And he just had showed some anguish on his face, but just take a left turn and, change his way and headed for his own journey. After some time, another merchant, he reached there. Again, he saw a heavy boulder. Again, showed anguish on his face. He just took a right turn and, just headed his way towards his journey. The entire day went away. The king was little disappointed that, what kind of people are there in my kingdom. I'm not able to find anybody who actually is reacting to what I want. So by the time the evening passed, a poor peasant, he was carrying a grocery with grocery in his arms for his family, heading towards his town. He reached there. Now, moment he saw that heavy pebble, his first reaction was that he kept all his grocery down on the street, and he started moving the that heavy boulder with a lot of efforts. He could do that, and he just pushed that the boulder down the street, and then so king was very happy. And then again, he actually collected his grocery and started going ahead to his town. So the king was very wise. He had already was looking for such person who has a self responsibility, and he had left one bag a little ahead, at the place from which the stone was moved. So as soon as this poor peasant, he reached that place from which the stone was moved, he saw a small bag. Okay, so he opened the bag, and to his surprise, it was full of some gold coins, and there was a letter of appreciation also. So this peasant was surprised that how I got this. So the king was hidden just behind the tree, and he came out and he just patted his back and he said, "Yeah, you are really a true citizen of my kingdom. I was looking for your person like you since morning, and really I'm happy, and this is a reward for you, because you have actually shown your responsibility of moving the thing and making the road, clear for the people ahead. So the students, for all of us, there is a two morals of which is coming out of this story. One is, whenever there is a situation, inclement situation, difficult situation, there is always an opportunity, in that situation. If the peasant had also reacted the way the other merchants or the passerby reacted, he would not have got the gold coin, and he would not have got the appreciation letter. Okay. So, besides the first moral, that the personal responsibility, the second one is very relevant in the today's situation. As Dr. Wadhwa mentioned, because of pandemic and all, everybody was, had to be at home, and the moral had gone down. But the story tells us that this is the testing time, and as the peasant, sailed his way and he got through, we will also sail through this, and this kind of event which is arranged by SGT is really commendable. And I would also really appreciate and compliment all those participants who have participated in all the 5 options very bravely and without with their morals outbid. I really compliment them. Now, there is another, before stopping, I just want to add one more moral to this, that as the awards will be announced soon, there's a possibility that despite putting all effort, you have not succeeded and you would not have got the award. But remember that they will never end in life, it only will mean that you have to turn around some more heavy boulders in your life, and you will get a success which will much more intense, of your satisfaction. So, which I just say best wishes for these events and the participants and my family, SGT University. And thank you very much for, calling me here for sharing my views. Thank you very much. My, good wishes for the next proceedings of the program. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for the inspiring words. And the story was indeed very appropriate and relevant, especially during these COVID times, teaching our students, and in fact, each one of us, that definitely there is an opportunity in every situation. And probably our participants just nailed it, and they have found an opportunity even in these COVID uncertain times when they all were just waiting for their exams. And here came an opportunity where they worked hard, and some of them have really made it par excellence. So, ladies and gentlemen, now let's come to the most awaited part of the event, the announcement of the winners who shall be awarded with extremely special prizes. There were 5 different competitions organized by our 5 different faculties. Ideathon by the Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Culinary Challenge by the Faculty of Hotel and Tourism Management, Emotions Photography by the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, Business Planathon by the Faculty of Commerce and Management, and Virtual Fashion Sketching by the Faculty of Fashion and Design. And the best part of the event was that there were no watertight compartments for participation. Students of any stream could participate in whichever competition they liked. We received a few thousand entries, and each entry in each field was indeed a masterpiece, a showcase of young brains and skills amalgamated with the latest technology. All our participants are indeed special for us, and talent and skills are always beyond compare. But since it was a skillathon, So those whose ideas were a little out of the box have been declared the winners by our honorable members of the jury, who are sitting on the dais, the deans of our 5 faculties who had organized these competitions. So here I have the list of the winners, and with the kind permission of the jury, here I announce the names of the winners. I think it was a very tough task for all our judges because all the entries, all the participants were extremely wonderful and beyond compare. I repeat, skills and knowledge are always uncomparable. But since it was a marathon, so we have just these few winners, and rest, everybody is special, and we congratulate each our participant. So we start with the virtual fashion sketching competition. In every category, we have a second runner-up, a first runner-up, and the winner, and we have 7 consolation prizes. So the second runner-up for the category of the virtual fashion sketching competition goes to Gauri Srivastav from the St. Fidelis College, Lucknow. The first runner-up in the same category goes to Liniam Beong from the King CP Public School, Itanagar. And the winner in the category goes to Dipanshu from the Rockford Convent High School, Sector 10, Gurugram. Then we have consolation prizes in the same category for virtual fashion sketching competition. Trupti Agarwal from Lotus Valley International School, Sector 50, Gurugram. Nisha Sharma, St. Crispin's Senior Secondary School, Gurugram. Sakshi Bhandari, Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Pitoragad, Uttarakhand. Kanak Lata from KRD International School, Main Dhansa Road, Delhi. Priyanka from JNV Kaloi Jhajjar, District Rohtak. Kiran from CC Senior Secondary School, Gurugram. And Pinky from New Bal Vikas High School, Bahadurgarh. And now coming to yet another category which definitely requires a lot of skills. Emotions Photography Competition, which was organized by the Faculty of Mass Communication. The second runner-up for the category goes to Suhail Khan from Shanti Niketan Public School, Gurugram. First runner-up goes to Shubham from RTR Sarvodaya Vidyalay, Surhera, Delhi. And the winner of this category, Emotions Photography, goes to Devender from Shanti Niketan Public School, Gurugram. In the consolation prizes, we have Gautam Pratap Singh from KV Vikaspuri, Delhi. Sakshi Bhatla, Sucheta Memorial School, Gurugram. Gautam Madre from Rotary Public School, Gurugram. Vatsal Sharma, RRJS DAV Public School, Heli Mandi. Janvi Amangi from Rishi Public School, Rewari. Kiran Yadav, KV number 1, Sector 14, Gurgaon. And Bijender from SM Hindu Senior Secondary School, Haryana. Our next category is Business Planathon, which was organized by the Faculty of Commerce and Management. And here we have some entrepreneurs in making who've made it high in this competition. The second runner-up goes to Harshit Jain, Bharia Public School, Jaipur. First runner-up, Naman Agarwal, Surat School, Gurugram. And the winner, the first prize goes to Muskan from New Shishu Kalyan Public School, Haryana. And the consolation prizes in the category goes to Anjali from Surat School, Pataudi, Gurugram. Vishal Mittal from Rahul Dhaka Senior Secondary Public School, New Delhi. Shwetanjali Singh from Suchita Memorial School, Haryana. Alisha Kumari, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Haryana. Geetika Chawla, Siddheshwar School, Gurugram. Aisha from Nav Uday Convent Senior Secondary School, Najafgarh, Delhi. And Nikhil Kumar from St. Rosier Public School, Delhi. And now we come to the culinary challenge organized by the Faculty of Hotel Tourism and Management. The second runner-up, Komal Saini from St. Crispin Senior Secondary School, Gurugram. First runner-up is Reepa Asmin from Marigold Senior Secondary School, Gurugram. While the first prize is backed by Samiksha from SCR Public School, Gurugram. And now the consolation prizes. Sanskriti Khare from Delhi Public School, Uttar Pradesh. Tushar from Lady Florence Public School, Gurugram. Ritika Syal from Shri CN Siddheshwar Senior Secondary Public School, Gurugram. Piyush Bhasin from Rashtriya Shakti Vidyalaya, Delhi. Khushi from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Gurugram. Priyanka Kanojia from Balwant Rai Mehta Vidya Bhavan, Delhi. And Yash Kumar from St. Crispin's Senior Secondary School, Gurugram. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our fifth and the last category, Ideathon, which was organized by the Faculty of Engineering and Technology. We received quite a few entries in this category as well, but because of various technical reasons, many of the entries were either rejected or probably they didn't fulfill the criteria which was actually set for this skillathon. So of all the entries, we have just one winner, and the name of this lucky guy is, or girl, Navnoor Singh from Venkateshwara International School, Dwarka, Delhi. So congratulations to all the winners and also to all those who participated, because participation is the best thing, it's the main thing, and it matters. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I request the Honorable Dean, Office of External Affairs, Shri Rajneesh Wadhwa, to kindly propose the vote of thanks and also to congratulate all our winners and all our participants.
Thank you, Dr. Radhika, and congratulations each one of you. You are a proud winner. And as Radhika mentioned and Dr. Deshpande also mentioned, the spirit of participation is more important, which I think all of you have proved once again, that it's important to take part. It is important to be in that race. One will win, one will not. But it doesn't matter. What you've done is, you've given it your best shot. Next time, as Dr. Deshpande mentioned, there's an opportunity to turn the boulder again. I think that's the kind of message which all our deans will also convey to you. Don't give up. It's important to be there. Remain in the race always. Stagnant water does rot. Please don't stagnate. Please keep moving. That's the spirit of the youth. That's something which the future is in your hands. I think it's important कि आप लोग इसको अच्छे से समझें. मौके दोबारा आएंगे, बहुत मौके आएंगे. हमारी टीम्स, हमारे डीन्स को फिर रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि ऐसे कंपटीशन अक्सर किया करें. हमारे यहाँ 18 फैकल्टीज़ हैं, तो अभी तो आप सिर्फ 5 कैटेगरीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट कर पाए. शायद आने वाले टाइम में 13 और में पार्टिसिपेट कर पाएंगे आप. और कहीं किसी स्टेज पे अगर आपको लगे कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन, कोई गाइडेंस की ज़रूरत है, तो प्लीज़ फील फ्री. हमारे डीन्स अवेलेबल हैं फॉर एनी डिस्कशन, एनी काउंसलिंग, एनी एडवाइस ऑन करियर रिलेटेड मैटर्स. Anything that you would like to know, please liaise with the counselors, who were part of your entry, registrations, qualifying criteria, etc. They will be most happy to guide you through. I'll also now take this opportunity to propose the vote of thanks. I think on behalf of the management of the SGT University and the organizing committee, which includes everyone who is present here and several who are not present here because of various reasons. A lot of hard work has gone behind this. Also, I would like to thank my colleagues on the dais for their unrelenting support. Times were difficult. They were available. They had to judge. They had to create rules, regulations. They had to identify how you would measure the performance. And a special thanks to Dr. Radhika also, for organizing, comparing this show for us at a very short notice. And I think we'll see you again, once again. All the participants will get e-certificates, which will be, the information will be shared with you shortly through your respective point of contacts. Also, once the situation gets better and travel is more easier, and because there are several participants who have won from distant places like Itanagar and Jaipur and other places and Pithoragarh, they will be able to travel only once the restrictions are over. And once the restrictions are over, the university officials will get in touch with you. We will hold a physical event here, and we'll be more than happy to felicitate you yet again. The prizes will be kept safe for you, and I think we'll look forward to having you on our campus. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for the inspiring words. And congratulations once again to all our winners. And once again, SGT University is one family, and you can contact whenever you want. Every dean, every faculty member of SGT University is an institute in himself and herself. Here we have 5 deans gracing the dais today, all of whom are so ready to always work up for the students, always ready to inspire students, help their students in whatever way they can. So I think it's counseling and right guidance at this moment which matters the most. So SGT University welcomes all the aspiring students of class 12th and 11th to come whenever they want, and for the correct guidance and the correct counseling just at the correct time. So thank you so much for joining us. Congratulations once again. And on behalf of the entire organizing team, I once again thank Mr. Rajneesh Wadhwa and all our honorable deans for gracing the occasion, for judging all the entire event with so much patience and with so much tender love and care that no participant should be left unjudged properly. So they really did a lot of hard work actually to make, these prizes appropriately for the winner. Thank you so much, and I once again thank the entire organizing team of Synergy Skillathon. Thank you.